Many colleges and universities will actually read college applications as they come in. This is called rolling admissions. They are ready to make decisions on impacted majors and university-wide studies the moment that those applications are live. So we recommend every single high school student at least have one or two colleges on their list that are considered rolling admissions, especially if it's a safety school, and really try to get that application in within the first 30 days that application goes live. Some schools that are famous for rolling admissions would obviously be Texas A&M, but also Ole Miss has rolling admissions, Arizona State, University of Arizona, University of Pittsburgh, also Texas Tech. There's a lot of colleges like Clemson that also have rolling admissions. So make sure that your strategy as you're creating a balanced college list makes sense. Have at least one or two schools that are safety rolling admissions and go into your senior year hopefully receiving college acceptance offers.